Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Sometimes we plant flowers in our garden for scent. Sometimes we plant flowers in our garden for their beautiful colors. And sometimes we plant some flowers in our garden which are associated with some god or goddess. Today I will tell you a plant which is too poisonous but is associated with Lord Shiva. This plant's name is Dhutura. Dhutura gets its common name from its huge tubular flowers that resemble trumpets. In our garden from last 5 to 6 years, we are having this Dhutura plant. Not only one kind, we have 2 different kinds. An essential part of worship is offering something to God. Many people offer food, sweets, leaves, promises, and sometimes flowers. Flowers with a bright, vibrant color and fresh scent and aroma are the most offered to God. And these flowers are offered according to the likes and dislikes of the god in question. For example, God Shiva likes Dhutura flower. Offering Dhutura to Lord Shiva is believed to please him and earn his blessings, as the flower represents the transformative power of destruction and regeneration. This is the double-petaled purple Dhutura. This flower scent is very nice. This flower has a wonderful fragrance and are often followed by the development of interesting seed pods with a textured or spiny surface. But it is very dangerous if consumed by humans or any other animals. So make sure to locate these plants away from your children or pets. Previously also we had uploaded a video on another poisonous flower also known as oleander. That day also we are told how to do plant care of these plants. And if you want to take care of these plants and you have skin allergy, make sure to always wear gloves. You just saw how poor the condition of the plant is. That's why what my mom wants is to repot this plant freshly in a bigger pot. So what my mom did is to dilute some bioenzyme and then dipped the plant inside of the bioenzyme solution. And my mom tried to free the pests attack from the plant by hand rubbing and by brush. Now she prepared the soil and then repotted the plant. Dhutura plant likes well-drained, fertile and rich in organic content soil. After watching our previous videos, you must have known that my mom does not use any other fertilizers except kitchen waste compost during this repotting period. This is because during this period of time, the plant is in stress, so the plant cannot absorb any kind of fertilizer. Using the same way, my mom washed and repotted both of the plants. After this stress period is over, then you can give organic fertilizer to your Dhutura plant. Now let me tell you about the watering requirements of this Dhutura plant. Before watering, poke your finger into the soil to check the moisture. When the topsoil feels dry to touch, water thoroughly. As Delhi is a semi-desert area and hot air blows throughout the day, make sure to then spray the water on the leaves and the foliages as well. The sunlight requirement is that it needs full sun, but if not full sun, then partial shade. Oh, after the flowering has been over, seed pods form. So make sure to cut these seed pods immediately, because it is very dangerous for humans as well as pets. Despite this plant being so dangerous, this plant has lots of medicinal values. But I'll tell you the medicinal value some other day. But for now, Me and my mom's advice is that you plant this plant in your home carefully with some precautions. And if you do that successfully, you will get beautiful flowers like these to offer to God Shiva. And last but not least, advice is that make sure to place this plant in such a place that your kids and your pets cannot reach. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.